Cleanse your body. You need following items to make healthy juice for weight loss. Half cup cucumber, half large banana, 1 large spinach, 1 cup pineapple, 1 medium lemon, 1/4 cup coconut milk. Mix it and keep in a bottle. 2 tablespoons of juice. Take 2 times every day. If you drink 10 days daily twice, your body lost 10 pounds in 10 days. Detox water for weight loss. You need following items: 2 liters water, 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, 1 inch ginger. Mix it and keep in a bottle. If you drink this detox water 10 days daily twice, with this detox drink you lose 16 pounds in 21 days. Super drink for weight loss. Fat burning drinks for quick weight loss. You need following items: 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of water. Mix it and keep in a bottle. Drink before bed to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks. The information provided here is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Ayurvedic practices and remedies may not be suitable for everyone, and individual results may vary. If you have a medical condition or are pregnant or nursing, please consult a qualified healthcare practitioner before using any Ayurvedic products or treatments.